Microwaving popcorn is a modern marvel, a culinary convenience born from the intense technological battles of World War II. We've harnessed the power of radar technology to revolutionize the way we cook. Back in 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer steeped in radar technology, stumbled upon a heated revelation. A radar wave melted his candy bar, leading to the sizzling discovery of the microwave's potential. This moment of accidental genius changed the culinary world forever. Initially, the microwave was no kitchen gadget. This 6-foot-tall, 750-pound titan cost a staggering $5,000, making it a rare sight in homes. It was more a symbol of industrial might than a tool for the everyday chef. Fascinated by how a simple snack ties back to wartime ingenuity? Dive deeper with us. Leave your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and follow Timeline Voyagers for more journeys through the fascinating timelines of everyday